Well, hello everybody. Thanks for stopping by Buck Does It. A little rainy and cold outside there today. You can see the Buck sitting back there in the rain. We'll get back to him pretty soon. But today I wanted to do an update on the progress on the Cruda so far. I think I left off last time with the trunk. And I got the trunk floor put in, fuel cell. I'm working on the battery box now. Try to place it so I can slide a battery down in here. And oh my, wrecking the place. I still got some rust holes over in there, but I got a whole lot of quarter panel work to do. But I did get the taillights put in. I also got the rear valance done too. Well, not bad. I took all the paint off. You can still see I got a whole lot of body work here. And let's see if I can get some light on the subject here. Yeah, you can see I got a whole lot of body work. It don't match up at all. Plus the ragged edges. And bumper all cleaned up, installed. I just took the paint off of it. But there we go. I'll go out in the rain for you. Let me get you set up, or me set up for underneath here. I'll show you. There we go. Got the fuel pumps mounted. I got bracing put in here. Fuel cell mounted. Fuel filter. Hose all the way up through. I don't know if you can see under here. And then I have it mounted over there. Oh, that reminds me. I got to put some I want to put another clamp here on the brake line, and also want to loosen up these shocks. Make sure I can get them off when I want to change them before I drop this back down. But not too shabby. It's everything back here. You see this here? Not too bad. It's in rough shape. But then it's the Cruda. Alright, I'll show you got the fuel line all the way up through. I ended up buying a new pressure regulator because the ones I had a lot of corrosion on the inside and stuff. That line over here, I bought a little pressure gauge so I can tell the pressure is. In the meantime, I've been working on this front door here. You know, while I'm waiting for parts and stuff, I wanted to tuck it into the car a little bit better. I probably brought it in about 1/4 inch on the, which probably brought this in about 1/2 inch or so. Got the bottom pretty much straightened out here. Better than it was. And still got a lot of paint removal here too, but opens and closes pretty nice. I got the window. Out of it. It's really bad, so I have some more plexiglass that I can cut, put in there. So that's like in while I'm waiting for parts and stuff, while I have some free time, I do other things too. You know, got a whole mess in here to do. And get the battery out of there. Put that back in the trunk. And I have a temporary fuel pump wire running back there for now. That's my next adventure, would be the battery box. And since I got the fuel system all taken care of, let me see what else we got going on. That's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Ain't a whole lot of progress, but To me, it's a lot. That trunk pan. That trunk pan was a job. And there's still a lot of work in here. All right. So, get up in here. All right, so with that, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. And remember to be good. You can't be good, be kind. See ya.